The crypto bull market is back, but before you ape in, there are a few things you should know. And also in this video, I am going to share with you a few of the altcoin sectors that I have my eye on. Let's get into the content. Welcome aboard the Bitcoin Express. My name is Chase. Let's get to it. The last few months in crypto have been very uncertain, but finally, we have been given some clarity. We recently experienced a Bitcoin golden cross. This is a very bullish indicator, and as we know, altcoins follow Bitcoin, whether it moves up or whether it moves down. And when it comes to technical analysis, I am not a big fan. However, when it comes to certain indicators, such as a 200-day moving average or a golden cross, this is an indicator that I pay attention to. Actually, these are indicators that most people in crypto pay attention to, even if they are against technical analysis. These indicators carry more weight. A golden cross is when the 50-day moving average crosses above the 200-day moving average. This blue line, this is the 50-day moving average, and this green line, this is the 200-day moving average. And this is the opposite of a death cross. This is when the 50-day moving average crosses below the 200-day moving average. And it's very interesting how this all played out, because back on June 18th, I made a video titled The Truth About Death Crosses, because when we see these death crosses, we usually think it's over, Bitcoin altcoins going to zero forever. And in that video, I showed this chart. It was a chart of the previous 6 Bitcoin death crosses, and only 2 out of the previous 6 resulted in an extended bear market. September 2014, 313 days, March 2018, 389 days. The rest of these death crosses or these bear markets were very short-lived, maybe 2 months, some 3 months. So when that happened, I said statistically, this won't be an extended bear market. So here we are today, and we finally experienced a Bitcoin golden cross. So since that time, June 18th, it's been about 2.5 months. So it's very interesting to see how it played out. And a big misconception about golden crosses is that once we have a golden cross, it means we are going straight up to the moon. Buy Bitcoin, buy altcoins, everything is going up. But this is very dangerous, because when it comes to Bitcoin and golden crosses or Bitcoin death crosses, it doesn't mean that crypto, Bitcoin, and altcoins will move straight in one direction. When we have a death cross, it doesn't mean that altcoins and Bitcoin are just going to tank straight down. They will decrease. They may have days where they pick up, but it is on a downward trend. And same thing with a golden cross. Just because we have a golden cross, many people may have this idea, I'm just going to put a lot of money into crypto. It's going straight up. This is not the case, because even in bull markets or bullish times, things don't go straight up. They move upwards, kind of like steps, right? They may move up, come back down, move up, come back down, but it is in an upward trend. So something to really pay attention to right now with the bullish times that we're in. So sometimes when the excitement takes over, we may make irrational choices. So just understand that just because we have a golden cross doesn't mean we're going straight up. You can still lose money. And something that I like to do all the time really is I dollar cost average through bull markets and bear markets with coins such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. I've been doing it for a few years now. But even in these bullish times, right, where I want to make a bigger trade, I still break it down. This will be different for everyone. Let's say someone only has $1,000 to invest, right? And $1,000 is a lot to them, right? Putting $1,000 in one bet at one moment can be very risky, right? Some things that people may do is split it up, right? Maybe they'll put in $100 for 10 days, or maybe they'll put in $200 every few days. So it's going to be different for everyone. But the bottom line here, for me at least, I personally like to break things down, split them up. Of course, this is not investment advice. So whatever you want to do, it is totally up to you. That is your decision. So with this Bitcoin golden cross, typically what we see is that Bitcoin moves in an upward trend, meaning that altcoins will follow in an upward trend. So there are 2 major sectors that I am paying attention to. The first one is layer 1 solutions. Of course, in layer 1 solutions, it includes Ethereum. Ethereum for me has always been a good buy through the bull, through the bear markets. Ethereum is pretty large though, a $407 billion market cap. So there still is room to grow if we continue in this upward trend, but don't expect a 10x out of Ethereum at this level. Maybe over the long term, but not in this bull market. And all of these coins that I'm going to use as examples, these aren't your 100x coins. If you're looking for 100x, you really need to go degen down the list, small, very high risk coins. So these coins, even if they do well, we're talking more in the range of 2, 3, 4, maybe up to 10x for certain of these coins, but not 50, 100x for the coins that we're going to look at. So following Ethereum is Cardano, also pretty big by market cap, $75 billion market cap. We also have Solana, which has been, of course, very popular over the last few months, $41 billion market cap. You might be wondering, why am I speaking about Solana? Solana just shut down the other day. Isn't the party over for Solana? I actually just made a video recently on why I believe that the party is not over for Solana as long as we continue in this bull market. I will leave a link for that video in the description. It goes into detail. Also, in layer 1, we have Polkadot, $34 billion market cap. We have Avalanche. We have Algorand, we have Cosmos, and there are many others. I'm not showing you these cryptocurrencies as specific coins that I'm buying, right? I'm showing these as examples. There may be other coins that I didn't even mention, right? In this video, I want to show you examples of layer 1s. There are others that I didn't mention, and anything you buy and you make money on, it's all on you, and anything you buy and lose money on, it is all on you. But I wanted to focus on more of these bigger blue chip layer 1s. And something that I like about these big blue chip layer 1s is that they are widely available, very accessible. And whenever you want to know where a coin is being traded or listed, simply go to CoinGecko or to CoinMarketCap, search for your coin, scroll down to markets, and you will see the exchanges that it's listed on and the trading pairs. So this is category number 1, layer 1. Next up, we're going to speak about the second category, and those are decentralized exchanges. And not just decentralized exchanges on Ethereum, but other blockchains as well. When it comes to Ethereum, the leader is Uniswap. It is the largest one by market cap, $12 billion market cap. There is still room to grow. Again, you're not going to see a 50, 100x from Uniswap, especially in this current bull market. And compared to Uniswap, there are two decentralized exchanges that I believe are extremely undervalued. That is Curve and Sushi. And if we look at their market cap, Sushi, $2 billion, and Curve, $1 billion compared to Uniswap's $12 billion, it looks very undervalued. Why? Because if we head over to DeFi Pulse, we can see the top 3 decentralized exchanges are Curve, Uniswap, and SushiSwap. Yet, Uniswap's market cap is much higher than the other two. And more specifically, with SushiSwap, it's very interesting because they are going to release an NFT marketplace called Show You. So very interesting things going on with Sushi. Again, these are widely available on many exchanges. Now, moving over to Solana's ecosystem, we have popular decentralized exchanges such as Raydium and Serum, and these still have pretty small market caps relative to other big projects in the space. Serum, $483 million market cap, and Raydium just under $1 billion market cap at $842 million. And this is on the Solana ecosystem. And then what about the Cardano ecosystem? So Cardano smart contracts are live, but as I make this video, September 17th, 2021, we still don't have any live dApps. Maybe we do, and I just don't know about them. So if there are any live dApps right now on Cardano, put them down below in the comments. And when it comes to Cardano, one that I'm really paying attention to, if you've been subscribed to this channel over the last few months, you'll already know it is SundaeSwap. Still, the application is not live yet, and also there is no SundaeSwap token yet. We will be able to eventually get it through staking, still waiting on more details and the pool ID, and then also eventually it will be available on exchanges. There's no guarantee though that SundaeSwap will be the leading DEX on Cardano. Actually, there's no guarantee of anything. Everything that we went over in this video is not primed to be number one. It's a very competitive space right now. What we went over are more of the leaders at the moment, what people are paying attention to, but there are other projects out there, right? Other projects that I didn't speak about. So those are the two sectors. We have decentralized exchanges and we have layer 1 platforms. But I want to know, are there any other major sections that I should be paying attention to? Let me know in the comments below, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you next time.